Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Yep, there's Milton right there, easily seen in the Gulf of Mexico, just the northwest of Cuba. There's the predecessor rainfall event coming into Florida. We've had one round of rain with this, which may become a tropical depression or storm as it moves out of the way. And some parts of greater Miami have had more than 10 inches of rain, and this is only going to add to it. So with this kind of having what we call brown ocean effect, the soils are wet. We've had some flooding already underway as the storm kind of moves over those wetter soils. It will tend to weaken less than if the soils were dry. That's sort of what happened with Helene moving up here into southern Georgia. We had the wind gusts to 133 at Valdosta and 82 at Augusta. So we get through this rain, and then you've got the rain and the catastrophic wind with the actual hurricane. And tonight it's very well formed. The eye's up here. It's had mesovortices in the eye, little circulations in the eye wall that are indicative of extreme cores of wind that exceed what the hurricane hunters are actually measuring in the eye. Those mesovortices are almost like tornadoes in the eye wall, and the winds are only stronger than the actual eye wall itself and can just absolutely level everything. The trend is, though, for this to track a little bit farther to the south. First, it looked like the eye would move right over Tampa. The trend is, at least right now, bring the worst of this into Sarasota, Bradenton, and then Treasure Island near St. Petersburg. Now, with this sort of track, it will tend to push the water this way at first, and then as it moves here, it'll push the water back here. So, yes, catastrophic wind damage in the Tampa Bay area, but this will cut down on the storm surge because your flow is mainly east or it's out of the northeast, and then it's northwest. The worst possible scenario really for Tampa Bay would be if the eye is here and you pull a 20-foot wall of water right into Tampa Bay. So for a storm surge, that'd be the worst. Regardless, this is going to be a catastrophic storm, and it will still be a high-end hurricane, even racing through the heart of central Florida, south of Kissimmee, north of Sebring, and then perhaps right over Melbourne as a Category 1 hurricane. For us, it's a 79 tomorrow, lots of sunshine. The brush and field fire danger will be up with that west-northwest breeze, very dry air, dew points in the 30s, so extremely low relative humidity that will help fires to spread with this tender dry vegetation. 76 to 81 for highs, 80 Fowler, 81 Attica, warm 78 at Flora and Burlington. On Thursday, just a touch cooler, but still quite warm. Cold in the morning, 77 in the afternoon, the winds east-northeast. 73 in our northeast counties, but warmer as you go southwestward, pushing 80 at Pine Village and then down towards Covington. There's your future cast. The only thing that's going to change is the wind direction. Notice there's no clouds at all. It's completely clear. We see the wind change direction by Thursday. There it goes. It's then coming out of an east-northeast direction. So here is the latest Milton run right here. Again, here's Tampa Bay. There's the eye just roaring right into Bradenton and near Sarasota and St. Petersburg, but still extreme winds right here and a massive surge coming in here. Then it passes pretty much right over Melbourne. And for us, we got a front that comes through Sunday. It's a strong cold front, but it's not going to do much in terms of rainfall. Maybe an isolated shower and then a freeze next week. And the normal first freeze, October 11th through the 19th. So this one just a hair earlier this year. 83 Friday, near record warm. 83 Saturday, 77 then following Sunday. And then look at that, highs in the 50s Monday through Wednesday.